Hi, this is Hyperwave. I'm Leah Wald and I'm here with Tyler Jenks. And there was a huge breakout in Bitcoin that we've been talking about for the past 2 weeks. And even as we speak, we're getting another new high. So we're going to turn it to Tyler and he's going to explain what does this breakout mean for the next big move. And to start it off, he tweeted, boom, Bitcoin breakout on heavy volume. Watch out, here we come. So Tyler, can you explain our tweet and start us off?
I sure will. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody in Bitcoin and crypto land. This is a wonderful present for everyone that's been waiting patiently. We keep saying be patient, be patient. And today it looks like it's beginning to pay off. So what we're going to do just in 10 minutes is we're going to do a very quick screen share, and we're going to see exactly what's happening and attempt to explain why it's happening and where we think the price of Bitcoin and other cryptos are going. Let's start with a chart that we've used often. And this shows right up through this morning on a 6-hour chart, the breakout. And on a shorter term, we'll look at a 1 hour. You can see how big it really was and the volume beginning to come in on this particular candle that took us up above the 9,000 level, breaking through the high from back here. And now we are at 93.03, a new high on this particular move. What I wanted to do is show you a number of things. If you take a look at these three lines, and I will move back to a longer time period. Let's look at the 4 hour that takes us all the way back to 19,666 peak. That is our target. That's where we want to get. And we want to get as far away from this 5,920 that we can. So let's zoom in and see the progress we have made from the bottom at 5,920. I drew in this trend line, if you remember, through the bottom yesterday, and we have now taken out this very important line in the 9,000 region. And we've done it, it's taken a lot of energy and a lot of power and a lot of money and a lot of persistence, but here we have it. Now, if we take a look at this longer line coming down from the top, we have broken above that. We have come back down and tested it. And now we're moving up away from it. Very important action on the part of Bitcoin this morning. I'm going to go back to this chart, which is beginning to look very interesting, going back to 300 on Bitcoin. This is the Hyperwave. We keep talking about it. And this bar, the one we're in right now, has just gone higher than the preceding bar that was the low bar almost 12 days ago. Very important action, and we are moving very strongly away from the 6,300 bottom line that I had drawn in, which gives me a lot of confidence that we will at least come up through 10,000 and 11,000 rather quickly. And within a week or two, we will be able to definitively say that this phase 3 line is intact and we're beginning a phase 4 boom on Hyperwave. Going back to the shorter term chart, I want to just zoom in on this to talk about a couple of quick things And that will be it for this morning. We will recap at the end of the day. In technical analysis, when everything looks perfect, when everything is lining up, when all the major technical indicators are pointing in the same direction, that's when you have to be the most cautious. Because very often, when you get everybody recognizing the same thing, the market will throw you a curve and go the other way. So I am not at this point ready to say that the downtrend is over in Bitcoin from the December highs. What I am willing to say is the probability has now shifted greatly in the favor of the bulls. And once we're through 10,100 and 11,100, we will be able to make almost definitive projections for what is coming next. Just to give you a hint, I believe that means that we are going to at least run up through these highs, 14,225 and the 17,000 level. I will personally be getting very nervous at the 17,000 level, but I will discuss why that is in a later vlog. For now, let's enjoy it. Let's sit back. If you have not yet taken positions, this breakout would be a time to consider putting in partial purchases with your budget for Bitcoin and for the cryptocurrencies to be added to later as more and more confirmation comes in. So very good news for everybody today. We do have a breakout. And with that, I'm going to turn it back to Leah, and everybody have a wonderful day.
Enjoy the breakout, everyone, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.
Bye-bye.